Hey, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Anthony here from HLRBO. I'm sitting in this beautiful 180 acres up in Daleville with my good buddy Jimmy Owens right there. Say hi, Jimmy.
Hello, how you doing?
Jimmy's going to be bringing us in, putting us on a honey hole Tuesday morning. It's the beginning of buck season archery. We're going to be shooting a beautiful video. I've got my grandson coming out here to do his first hunt, and it's going to be actually a real prideful moment for me. Along with my son, of course, I'm going to smoke him. I'm going to make sure I get that. They got 2 big 10 points in here. So it's a competition. The race is on, and we'll see you after Tuesday morning's hunt, and I'll check back with you. Okay, look, I'm in Daleville, Alabama this morning. We're going to try to see if we can get one of these 10 points. It's a beautiful morning, 54 degrees. It don't get no better than this, folks. I'm up in a blind stand and a house stand here, house blind. And we're going to try to get us a 10 point this morning. Beautiful farm. It's a beautiful day to film this hunt. We got Robert and Luca in the other blind, and we're up here. I'm going to see who wins. Nice. She came out from behind us. Right below us. Where's the baby at? Out further. She hears you. She's stopping. You get it? Yeah. Where's the baby at? She's looking. She hears you. Nice. It's coming towards the apples. Yep. There you go. Nice. Keep going. Really nice. I wonder if I can get up without making noise. Wow. Really cool. Very cool. That's a doe, but we can only shoot bucks, so she can't see us. Wind's blowing the right way. She doesn't know we're here. Here comes baby. Is that the baby? No. Where's the baby at? Out behind a bush out there. Out over this way. A little to the right. It's coming. Did he come from that way? I saw her go from this way. Yeah, they both did. I don't see the baby though. It's kind of behind my red button is. Oh, that's because I can't see that. Oh shit, I don't want to move. She's looking. She's looking right up here. There she goes. There she goes. Just scared. See, there's the baby one. Right there. The baby one out there. Yeah. Okay. Go ahead. Don't sit. Don't move. Don't move. Yeah, you moved a little bit and it scared him off. Yeah, just a tiny movement. Hey everybody, it's day 2 in Daleville, Alabama. We're after a big 10 point this morning. It's a beautiful morning, about 48 degrees. The only thing we have is a full moon, so hopefully they'll move early and we'll get a good shot. I'll check in with you later. What's going on? We're in Daleville, Alabama. We changed spots for the afternoon. We're hunting over a beautiful Japanese clover, and peanut hay field. And we're gonna see if we can get one to come in this afternoon. So, man. Hey guys, listen, it's almost the end of the day. We didn't get a buck, but we saw a lot of does, and we're going to be back in 2 weeks to continue this hunt, because then it's doe season too. So that's why they call it hunting and not shooting. Until then, have a great day.